Hello everyone, hopefully you guys are in a good day and stay healthy and follow the SOP. I want to introduce to you our prototype for Integrated Design Project IDP, which is the smart walking stick for elderly people. First, I want to explain about the function of each component we use in our product. First, the main material of our product, which is the body. They are made from aluminum alloy tube body. It is light in weight and easy to carry. The load bearing index is up until 400 kg. For the safety and stable, they use the better load bearing and more stable. It use the triangle base is more stable and the triangle fits and the silicone mats. Second is the flip seat. This flip seat is used to sit for a while or any place that doesn't have seat. The material was from plastic or the scientific name was polypropylene. The design was made for economic purpose, which is the edge of the seat was made fillet and massaged to the surface. They also have multi-point concave convex seating board, and if we compare with the other design like round design, rectangle design and semicircle design, this design was the most suitable to fit the human buttocks. So let's go to the next component, which is the knee bar. The component is to help user to get up from their seat more easily. Material was made from the soft rubber, which is not harm the knee, and steel for the support steel. The design was made to can be flipped and can be opened when the user wants to use it. The average weight is 400 grams for both knee bar, so the weight was not interrupt the user from walking using this smart walking stick for elderly people. Furthermore, we have master lock. The function is to adjust the height according to the user's height. It has 5 height adjustable and made from aluminum alloy material. They use telescopic height adjustment and suitable for people of different height. Recommended height for this smart walking stick is from 130 cm to 190 cm high. Moreover, we have circuit box. The function is to place the sensor circuit. At the side of the circuit box, there is a hole to plug in the charging port to switch on the device. The circuit box is made from aluminum, and this circuit box have enough space to put our sensor circuit, and it do not interrupt the user while walking or sit. Next, we have power bank casing slot. The material is from recycled box and eco-friendly material. It is easy to slot fit nicely. It was easy to slot and fit nicely in the power bank, followed by the normal size of the power bank in the market. It is placed under the seat and still can be sit and can be flipped without any problem. It uses to put the power bank and plug in the USB cable to connect the power supply to the device. And the last part is the torchlight. The torchlight was already installed inside the holder without having bringing the conventional torchlight. The function is to light the way up in the dark, and it uses 2 AA battery as power supply.
So now, I will explain to you how the smart walking stick fall detection system operates. We open the Blink app and select the fall detection. Then open the hotspot of our smartphone for the Blink apps to be connected with the device. If the device detected huge impact of vibration from the walking stick user, it will show notification on the Blink apps and notification email of the relative members. After that, in the email notification, there is stated the coordinate of the user. To know where is location of the user, the relatives have to copy the coordinate from the email and paste it in the Google Map apps. After we paste the coordinates, it will show the exact locations of the smart walking stick user. So that's all the demonstration and operating fault detection system of smart walking stick to save the user's life. Thank you.